Hello YouTube, I am Core or Cortez. My username for Roblox is xxcoreXX25 if you ever need to contact me. Or if you do not know how to spell it, it will be in the description and or you will see it in the scripts. Alright, first off, let's open up Roblox Studio. Loading, loading, loading. Roblox Studio. We will be using the parts of position that we used last time, which would be repeat, wait, and until. So let's open that up. Don't mind the output, it's just acting weird. Loading. Alright, here we go. We will be changing the colors to the brick. First, I will demonstrate with this small brick, then I will demonstrate with the base plate, which is the big one. Alright, first off, I still have the script that we were creating with position. The repeat wait, we will be using the repeat and the until, as well as the wait. And we will always be using script that parent that position. Oh yeah, okay. Let's just move the script out of the way. Disable it so that when I run the stuff, it will not work. It will work when I disable it again, which is sort of confusing. But right. Click on the part. Go to Go to basic objects, and then put in a script. Alright, go to Explorer again. Now go to your script and type in your credits. The 2 dashes and put by, then put your username xxcore xx25. Remember, this is the username that you can contact me in. Right. Now we will be using repeat. Well, not right now, but alright. We will be changing the color to this brick. It just looks so simple. We will be changing it like a siren, or let's change it to grass, and then change it to white. And that's all. Alright, we will be changing it. Well, institutional is a long word, so we will just be spelling white. Go to your script. Unlike my script doesn't want to open. Oh dear. Script. Alright. We will be putting script dot parent dot brick color. Everything they type in has to be exact. If the R is capital, you type it in capital. If the O is capital, it has to be capital. Right here, the B and C are capital, so you gotta capitalize it. Capitalize it. Well, I'm so bad with grammar today. Then equals brick color dot new. Hopefully it is. Alright, so put your parentheses, but in this one you have to put it in quotes. You put in quotes when you're putting in words. Like if you were using the GUI I will teach on later on. The GUI, at times you might want to use this. At times you may not use it, but this is the way they use it. First, we will change the color to bright green. Remember, it has to be exact. Bright space green. Right. Now go to your next line, but wait 1. Or let's just make it 0.2 so that you guys could see the colors change rapidly. And if you do not understand what script.parents is or brick color, in the first video it will show you. Or right now, I will show you another way of doing it. If the script is not in the part, but if it's like out here, instead of using script.parents, you could do workspace. You have two other options: game.workspace.parts. But I do not like to use game.workspace.part, because then if you have a lot of parts with the same name, the script will not work. So which means that you have to rename the parts. Like if you had like 2 parts, you would have to rename one part A, part B, then part, then brick color, blah blah blah, right? Or you could just do the same thing but just not put the word game. You put game workspace, then blah blah blah. You only put game when you're gonna use lightning, starter GUI, starter GUI, starter pack, debris, sound space. Players is like for your health and all that stuff. That would be a different lesson. But let's just focus on scripts.parents. Let's move my script back. Yes, this one. Go to the part. Let me reopen my scripts. Alright. Now script. Or you could just like copy and paste everything if you would like to. If you're like a lazy typer. Equals brick color new. Put your quotes in. Then we'll change it to white. Now we will make it change about 2 times. Paste it in. Paste it in. Paste it in. Oh, I forgot to put in weight 0.2. Weight 0.2. Copy and paste is not only for like lazy typers, but it also speeds up the things. Like if you were doing a really long script, like a gun script, it would take really long. So for that, I would recommend you to copy and paste. Right, let me just go through the parts once. Right. Script.parent.brick_color. Script is this script. The parents is the part. Then from there, it goes to its properties and go to brick color. Then it will change to bright green. Then same thing, blah blah blah. But it'll change to white. Then bright green, white, bright green, white, bright green, and white. Let's see. Cross your fingers. You see that? It went fast because it was 0.2. Now if you want to repeat it, do not pause and play it again. Just cut. Why isn't cut working? There we go. Paste. It will keep on doing it. Now, let's do it for infinity. Delete all that stuff. Now put your weight. Put your repeat. Repeats and weight, everything that I'm going to do right now is in the previous one. So, yes. If you do not understand what I'm typing right now, it's because you have not watched the previous video. Parent. And the stuff that I'm typing like right now with the brick color, if you do not know what it is because you were not watching the start of this video. Brick color dot new. Now I'm gonna try to make that infinity and beyond. Need and beyond. Infinity and beyond scripts. Let's make it 0.2 again. But I feel really dumb. Just put 0.2. Because if you don't put 0.2, it'll make the script easier to break, and you don't want the script to break. At times the script might break because it has a lot of words, and then it gets confused and then it breaks. Like if you keep on repeating this, copy and paste, and all that stuff, it might break eventually because the point two might get confusing. Computers make mistakes like us humans. All right. Let's just put weights. Oh, wrong line. Weights 0.2. Now until, let's do this again. Let's just put workspace archivable. Now again, if you do not know what I'm typing right now, workspace archivable, then that means you did not watch my previous video. Equals false. So it will keep on going infinity until workspace archivable equals false. Now we want the color to be bright green. Bright green. This one white. So it will keep on changing until workspace.archivable equals false. And I have no scripts that will change that. So it will keep on going infinity and beyond. Cut. Now let's make this happen. Paste into. It'll keep on going. Or if the script broke. Right here, script.workspace are part of the script. What did I put? Workspace.archivable, script.parent.recolor, script.parent. Oh, I see. You guys see that too? I put script instead of wait. See? That's why I love the output. Because right here it says script. Line 6. It even tells you right here, line 6. Tells you right there. Now let's cut and paste into it. Now it should work. Hopefully. Line 9. Right there. Wow. Line 9. Actually, this is a good demonstration showing you that output helps you. Archivable. Wow. I'm spelling bad today. Spelling, not smelling. Alright, guys? Just saying. Paste into. There we go. Now, there's nothing wrong, and it'll keep on going infinity and beyond. Green, white, green, white, green, white. It'll keep on going until the workspace archivable goes false. See? When it's false, when it's unchecked, then that means it will stop. When it's true, it'll keep on going. But since it already checked off, I have to refresh the script now. This is a good example. Now let's do this again. Last demonstration. Then it will keep on going infinity and beyond until this comes unchecked. Thanks for watching, guys.